Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove white border around the icons on iPhone after the update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, and you are seeing the white border around the icons on iPhone like this, here I will show you how can you remove them. So guys, as you can see this, I have updated my device to the latest version, that is iOS 26.3, and now I am seeing the white border around the icons on my iPhone. And if you want to remove them, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, here I will give you two ways which you can follow to remove the white border around the icons. So guys, the first way that you have to simply open settings, and now you have to go to accessibility, and from here you have to go to display and text size, and then you have to simply turn on reduce transparency from here. So guys, you can see this, simply turn it on, and after this you will see there will be no white border around the icons on iPhone. So guys, you can see this, there is no white border around the icons anymore. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that open settings on your device, and from here you have to go to display and brightness, and from here you have to simply check this to dark mode. So guys, if it is on light mode, you have to simply check this to dark mode, and here you can see the white border has also gone with this method. So guys, these are the two methods which you can follow to turn off or remove the white border around the icons on iPhone after the update. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.